In this video, I'm going to be talking, be aware of your attitude. I'm going to ask you a question here. Are you aware of your attitude? If you recognize that yours is a negative attitude, the good news is, and I said this before in the last video, you can change it. You can change your attitude in an heartbeat by developing positive expectations. How do we do this? By using positive language and becoming the positive person you would like to be. You are not put on this earth to be miserable. I'm telling you that now. You are not put on this earth to walk around with that gloomy face, expecting the worst case scenario. You have a choice in changing your life today. You can change that negative attitude to a positive one. Your attitudes are products of the way you think. You created your attitude, and you can apply them to your goals and your expectations in life. However, be under no illusion, because you may not be aware of it. However, you choose your own attitude and you can change them. In a moment of calm reflection, look at yourself and your life and ask yourself this question. Do I expect the best, or do I expect the worst? I want you to answer this question honestly, and you have the answer. Expecting the worst equals a negative attitude, and expecting the best equals a positive one. Is that too simple? Or you need to look around at your friends, the people you'll know, and consider, are they successful? Remember, success is what you want in your life, not just acquiring wealth. Look at the successful people you know, those who are happy, those who are fun to be around, are content, and the fulfillment that they have. And ask yourself, are their attitudes positive or negative? I'll leave you with those thoughts, and we'll meet again on my next video. Bye for now.